One nation, one tax. I'm Vasha Renukumar and welcome to the Freedom Business English channel. In the words of PM Narendra Modi, goods and service tax is a path-breaking legislation for the new India.
GST ये टीम इंडिया का क्या परिणाम हो सकता है, ये टीम इंडिया के कर्तृत्व शक्ति का सामर्थ्य का परिचायक है.
This revolutionary taxation system was rolled out in the midnight 1st of July 2017 in the Central Hall of the Parliament. By these words, we understand what GST is and when it came out. But this main reason why it came out was because of the dream of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which said, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. I'm going to tell you why a businessman or a taxpayer should know about the GST and what changes have happened in 2022. Need for GST. Before 1st of July 2017, there were many taxes to be paid. Excise duty, service taxes, VAT, CST, purchase and entertainment tax. All these taxes were a complex in burden. Tax imposed on a tax was another serious problem. For example, VAT. All these led to the outbreak of GST. This was the main reason why GST was brought into action. The silent features of GST were that the ending decades of twist and turn, GST subsumed 17 large taxes. Well, there was a uniformity in Indian market and it was called as the one big market. The IT-driven system was so smooth that the refunds were faster. The flow of goods and services happened in a soothing and smooth way. 5 important things that a businessman and a taxpayer should know. First, what is GST and how does it work? GST is an indirect tax that every citizen has to pay on the goods and services. It is a single tax all the way from the manufacturer to the customer. Everyone has the same and neutral level of taxation. And also, how does it work? The credit input at each stage has an added value, but the final customer ends up always paying the GST only, which is even simple and easy. Second, what are the benefits of GST? This includes business and industry. First being easy compliance. The IT system has built a fine foundation for all the citizens of India. This system of registering payments and returns can be done online. Well, the benefit of this is it's transparent and it's less compliance. Every taxpayer need not go to the particular office or anything while everything is all available online. Uniformity of tax rates and structures. Well, uniformity has that one nation, one tax. We all know that GST is the same and irrelevantly neutral to all of us. Everyone has to pay the same tax if you're rich or poor. If you're in a corporate or just a small business, every tax is equal to all of us. It doesn't have to be in a different manner to a different person. That is why there's a uniformity in the rate of tax and structure for the GST. Improved competitiveness. Well, reduction in the transaction cost has put you through a spirit of competition in the trade and industry. This entire process has put all the businessmen and entrepreneurs on a race. Benefits for the customers. GST has a huge market for the benefit of customers. Well, there can be no extra charges on the customers who are buying or using your services. It's all uniform and irrespectively neutral to all of them. Relief in overall tax burden. This is one of the most easiest and simple thing. You don't have to concentrate on entertainment tax or luxury tax. Every tax is neutral to the customers here. So relief in this entire burden has caused a relief mind for the GST. Taxes which have been subsumed into GST from central to state. Central excise duty, additional excise duty, service taxes, contravailing duty, special additional duty of customs. At the state level, sales tax, entry tax, entertainment tax, luxury tax, as well as taxes on betting and gambling. Fourth, what are the changes of GST rate? Well, I'm going to get on to the January 1st of 2022. There has been increase for the clothing and textiles from 5% to 12%. In the restaurants have remained same for 5%. Everything for renewable energy devices also remain at 5%. And GST rate for the garments have raised from 5% to 12% as well. What are the major features of return filing procedures under GST? Well, these are the few. First being, the common returns would serve the purpose of both central and state government. There are 8 forms provided for the GST business procedure which has to be filed for the returns. Well, the average taxpayer go for the 4 forms filing for the GST returns. Small taxpayers opt for the composition scheme, which includes the quarterly basis. Filing of the returns can be completed online. All the tax can be also paid online. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I think I've given you the basic information that a businessman or a taxpayer has to know. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.